Namaste from India. My name is Nimisha Ratan and I'm the wellness professional for the last 12 years. I belong to Rishikesh, which is a small town in northern India, and this place is very much famous for yoga meditation, Ayurveda, and energy healings. I have a small academy here in Rishikesh where I invite my students from abroad or different places from India, and they come and stay with me and learn many courses in healing yoga, Ayurvedic lifestyle, metaphysical science, and also the Sattvic Tantra. I am a part of Wiki Bilateral, India Germany Vice President, and I promote wellness tourism in my place in Rishikesh. I am the G100 State Chair for Uttarakhand as well, where I am inviting people to connect, collaborate, and communicate with me. I work with the hospitality sectors. I work with the wellness centers, corporates, and travel companies, and I want to collaborate with everyone to elaborate the meaning of wellness through well-being. I'm a healer and a wellness professional, and I do my counseling with the women, and I diagnose the key factors which is missing in their life, which is causing the disturbance at their physical, mental, emotional, or psychological level. And then I prescribe them some of my treatments and wellness courses which they can learn, and do the teacher training courses to teach the students in their particular places or countries as well. So through this video, I want to share a message to the women as well, that they need to work on their positive psychology, because post-COVID here now in the world, the woman power or the woman energy or Shakti is more required to bring the stabilization in the world, because woman has a specific powers to stay calm and quiet in the adverse situations where she can recreate and redefine herself. She's a wonder woman, she is the power, she's a Shakti, and she need to come up with all her potentials on the bigger platform and distribute this energy within her house, in the community, in the nation, as well as in the global level. So you can connect me and you can talk with me, have a consultation with me, and we can collaborate to spread this message of womanhood and sisterhood throughout the world. I can be connected at WhatsApp +918979688487, and my email is nimisha.ratan@yahoo.com. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day and have a blissful life. Bye bye. Take care.